Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. After watching all that, then we are here in the restaurant. This is the restaurant of the Floriworld. You cannot see a lot of people because we are only few, and it's also nice because of COVID-19. So we are not wearing any more masks, so it's good. In my own opinion, it's good for us. So this is the place of the restaurant. If you come here, you can also eat here. And no problem with the parking area because there is no payment in the parking area, because usually here the parking is you have to pay the parking area. So it's expensive. I mean the parking area if you have a car. But here it's free. So this is the area, the restaurant. I just want to show the place. And at the back, so I just walk around. So very nice. And that is the first floor or ground floor. And I also going there because I want to buy souvenirs. So but first we are still here in the restaurant because we order something. So it's a nice restaurant. And also the bicycles, very nice because they put flower on it. I think you can rent that one. I don't know. I have no idea because I didn't ask. But I think so. So this is the decoration. So the indoor plants. It's a big area, Alsmere. And the flower. I was able to take a video because not so much people, it's okay. So nice arrangement of the flower. And the place, and also the tea. So I want to show you the tea, organic. You can choose what kind of tea you want. They have so many flavor. Poka, lemongrass and ginger, and wild apple. So poka, organic teas. So this is the brochure if you want to order something. Coffee and tea. The light, I like the decoration. So far they are very creative. That's why I like it. So it's nice also to see things like this after lockdown, because during the lockdown you cannot really go. So we go down, we ride in an elevator, and we are now in the first floor, in the ground floor, and then we are now in the souvenir. I look for what can I buy? So let's see what is the souvenir, the display. I'm just looking what to buy. So I'm just watching and watching. This is plants, perfume. So they're all perfume.
Perfume may labo? Yep, yeah, I think. Grabe, no?
I don't know, flower is very interesting. I like the beaker,
Mahal man kayo may labo.
oh, the flower,
You can book
the mug.
because that is bigger.
That is
Mug.
16 euro. The pin, 2 euro. This one also leave this small. So you can select what kind of souvenir you want to buy, because they have a display. Also this one, the magnet. It is only 2 euro. Almost 2 euro because it is 1 euro and 95 cents. The pin. So you can select if you want. But I like more on the magnet.
Remembrance. 2 euro.
Because the magnet you can put it in the rep. Only you have to select what color the flower, I mean. They have a lot of souvenirs, so you can choose and then you can buy. You can buy this one also. Card and a bag. They have a nice bag also, the Floriworld. Since it's open, because no more lockdown, so people are still coming, but not so much. And this one also, the cycling, the bike, it's nice because the flower, they put the flower. I don't know if you can rent this one or only this is for display. I think this is only for display, I'm not sure, but maybe you can rent this one also. This is the Floriworld inside, in the ground floor. This is the entrance, and this is the information. And right away you can see all this bike. So this is the Floriworld. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Hope you enjoy in watching all the